Pleasant good morning, distinguished guests, friends, family, trade partners, media, and foodie partners. Welcome to the grand opening of King Chef BGC branch, and thank you for taking time to celebrate with us today. We are incredibly honored to have the Honorable Mayor Lani Cayetano gracing us as our guest of honor, and also Councilor Jomit Sarna of Taguig. Mayor Lani, your presence truly highlights the city's support for local entrepreneurs. Thank you for your continued dedication to making Taguig a thriving and vibrant place to do business. We are also privileged and greatly delighted with the presence of Mr. Graham Coates of Megaworld and Ms. Franz Eusebio of Megaworld and the Megaworld team. You have been our very supportive MOM partner since 2012. Thank you for your trust and support and for giving us the opportunity to partner with you in serving this new community. You know, we started King Chef with a simple dream, to create a welcoming space where our guests, whom we fondly refer to as our kings and queens, can gather, relax, and share an incredible meal. Over the years, we are truly privileged to be part of so many family celebrations and corporate milestones. And we couldn't have done it without the hard work of our dedicated team, the support of our loved ones, but most of all, we won't be here today without the blessing and favor of our Lord Jesus Christ, the King we serve first and foremost. Today, we are opening our 8th branch. Our purpose and passion remains simple, which is to make every guest feel at home, walking away delighted and feeling like kings and queens. So to celebrate today, we have prepared not only fun activities, exciting gifts, but most of all, we have prepared a grand feast for all of you to enjoy. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy as we open the floor to begin our program. Thank you.